Okay, class. Um, I pulled down the same document that I used last night to add to it a truth table that has three statements dealing with either the conditional or biconditional type of joining of forming a compound statement. And this is problem 51 on page 146 in section 3.4. And as instructed before, very quickly, go ahead and list out the statements in symbolic form. Already got that because we're given symbolic forms. Um, if there are any statements originally negative, meaning in the original problem, then go ahead and create the column for the negative symbolic form. Okay, so in 51, I've already done that. Here's all my three statements that I see in the compound statement. One of them is negated, so I created an extra column and negating P. So now I'm taking the major dominant one of the major dominant part of the statement, which is P and Q. And as we know, that the rule is both parts have to be true. Okay, so let me do this like I did last night and white out those words so we can focus on P and Q. So now, both of them are true, true, false, 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 false. So there's only two instances where, you know, that the P and Q statement is true. Okay, so now we got to work out the not P or R statement. Okay, so I'm going to bring back R and bring back all right. So now if either one are true, then the statement is true. True, false, true, false. Go back up here and straighten these two out. All right. True, 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 and true. So now we are ready for the entire compound statement. And let me go ahead and paste that in. And so now we're only looking at these two columns here. And it says if and that means both of these have to have the same truth value in order for the conditional biconditional statement to be true. True, oops, false, false. Here is true, and all else is false. F. And this false, false, and false. Straighten this out a little bit. And there you go. All right. And there you have it. Okay. So that's the truth table. Let me bring all these back on the left hand side. And that's how it breaks down. That's how it breaks down. I take the negative statement, create a column for it. If there happen to be more than one negative statement, then there would be another column for the negative statement by itself, and then start breaking down the major dominant statements and trying to find their truth values. And then once I find those pieces, then I start piecing together column by column, and then ultimately getting to the full compound statement that I'm looking for. So there's only two instances when this if and only if statement is true, when both of them are true and when both of them are false. And there's only two instances either than that. This is primarily a false statement. Okay, and that's pretty much it.